Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I, Dr. Mrs. Ingi Sabina Wailama Brown, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as head of service, Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of State policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the fifth schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people, according to the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as head of service, except as may be required for the due
that I use this occasion of the swearing in of the new head of service of Ibas State to also address the secretaries who have been with me in the last 6 months as I conclude my stewardship as the administrator of Rivers State. You would all recall that 6 months ago, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, gave me the charge to stabilize this state, restore law and order, and return it to the path of institutional governance. By God's grace, we have achieved this mandate together. Local government elections have been held. Chairmen and local government officials chosen by the people are back in their office. Statutory boards and commissions have been reconstituted. The state budget has been passed and lawful framework for governance has been restored. Behind each of these milestones is you, all seated here, the engine of government, often unseen, but always essential. You are the custodians of the public service, the guardians of continuity, and the conscience of government. Administrations may change, but the civil service, led by you, the permanent secretaries, ensuring that institutions endure beyond individuals and administrations. As His Excellency Governor Siminalayi Fubara resumes office, I charge you to offer him the same loyalty, discipline, and dedication that you extended to me. The stability and growth of Rivers State will depend greatly on the professionalism with which you implement government policies, uphold due process, and insulate the service from partisan rancor. This season has reminded us that unchecked power can weaken institutions, but responsible stewardship strengthens them. Let it never be said that Rivers State fell again into paralysis because its institutions faltered. Your duty is clear: preserve the integrity of the service, deliver policy with excellence, and remain faithful to the people you ultimately serve. And for our new head of service, you will all agree that she certainly deserves the recognition. A thoroughbred professional, courageous and dogged fighter for the civil service, I must confess that I benefited immensely from her wealth of experience and great institutional memory. Her insights and critical thinking on all matters affecting the state is quite inspiring. Madam Head of State or Service, I trust that you will continue to distinguish yourself in the discharge of your duties. Finally, my dear bureaucrats, I live with deep appreciation for your cooperation during this assignment and with confidence that you will remain steady anchor for governance. History will not only judge leaders by the offices they held, but also by the strength of the institutions they left behind. I charge you all to remain steadfast and courageous in your commitment to the development of Rivers State. May God bless your service, may God bless Rivers State, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you. All right.
Very good.
Thank you.
Next.
Thank you.